Hello there and welcome. Today I am going to harvest my cabbage, my red cabbage. I've never grown cabbage before, like many things on my plot. Oh, got a little caterpillar in there. I've done a bit of reading. It says I should use a sharp knife, which I believe this is, and cut through the base of the stem like so. Yeah. I also read, which will be a good test. Oh, there's a big head of cabbage. That if I cut this stem into 4, I potentially get 4 new cabbage heads. So, really try and not cut myself here. Live on camera, that'd be embarrassing. Yeah. I'm gonna leave this bit of stem here. As you can see, I've cut it into 4. And I'll keep watering it like the rest and see what happens. Oh. Yeah, that's how I harvested my cabbage, my very first one of my whole life. As you can see, the slugs have been at it for the last few weeks, but the main inside core is quite heavy. Can't even actually lift it up. Is pretty much intact. So I'm just gonna set down the tripod and clean up these excess leaves, and you can have a watch. Literally using the same knife and just laying into these outer leaves, which, even though are edible, I wouldn't really want to give to that one because they have been savaged pretty bad, like I said, by the old slugs and snails. Yeah, while I'm cutting, I must admit I'm seeing all sorts of pests and other things escaping for their life. Ah, this is interesting. This looks like the start of a new cabbage. So maybe I'll cut that section a bit too low. Annoying, but we'll see. See, there's a slug, snail friend of ours in that. Next door you go. And just in case you didn't know, that is snail feces. So if you ever see these little streams around your garden, yeah, it's an indicator that snails have been around pooing. Getting there. Oh, there's a few more. I'm gonna cut this knob off right there as well and get that last snail out of there. Very annoying things. That's feeling a lot lighter now, a lot more manageable, and this is going to be the last leaf I'll cut off. There we go. Just as well, because lo and behold, there's another snail up in there as well. So I'm quite proud of that. I suppose the main cabbage starts about here. It's definitely firm. It's not rotting away or anything. Yeah, 2 ham lengths. Well chuffed. Well chuffed. Alright, we're going to go and hose it down. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video.